My name is Amalka Vukelic. I come from Croatia. I'm a biodynamical producer and also advisor for the biodynamic agriculture. We are motivating our farmers by including them in the process of education, encouraging them to move towards biodynamic and to enhance them to work together as a community. By strengthening them together, they will be much easier for them to enter the market, to have a bigger quantities of the products, and they will see that biodynamical way of production is the best way to do everything. It's very peaceful and non-harmful for the nature. It's very good for the people and connecting communities together. So this is the way to do the things.